So now we're going to get in, because we're talking about DNA. DNA also has these 4 base chemistry pairs: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. And so here they are, and this is how the DNA is formed out of these 4 basic letters of an alphabet that can combine in all these different ways. So, for instance, the RNA codons is 3 letters, forms a codon. And these 3-letter codons can combine in all kinds of different ways. So here's the DNA formed by pyrimidines and purines, just like the male and the female part of the I Ching. These form the 4 basic bases, and that's the 4 basic bases of the hexagrams. And these combinations form the trigrams, which is the RNA, and the trigrams stacked together form the 64 codons of DNA. DNA has 64 codons. The progression is exactly mirrored in the I Ching. That means that when I have a tone for each of these 8 trigrams, and I can create 64 hexagrams out of that, and it has a chord, I really have also chords for the 64 codons. This is the project I'm currently preparing to do, this idea of 64 complex chord arrangements for each of the codons of DNA reflected in the 64 hexagrams. So this idea of 64 codons, 64 hexagrams, 6 groups of amino acids per codon, 6 lines per hexagram, all of this completely hangs together. How did the Chinese know this? God only knows how the Chinese figured this out. They figured out acupuncture. China had a fully developed acupuncture system, and they had gunpowder, and they had rockets when Europe was still in the Stone Age, still in the Bronze Age, when we were first learning how to smelt metals.